This is Elena from ServiceMonster. In this video, we'll talk about one of ServiceMonster's newest features, the month view. The month view is a great way to quickly look over a single or multiple routes and get a clear idea of where your time and resources stand for the day. Glancing over the month view gives you an accurate idea of which days are full and which are still open for additional scheduling. Utilizing both the month view and week view allows for a more seamless workflow with instant access to the most crucial information for your day. All right, let's hop on in and take a look. From the home screen, click on Scheduling in the main menu, then select the Schedule icon. Here you'll see your schedule in week view. In the upper left corner of the navigation menu, you will see a month button and a week button. Select the month button and the screen will change to the month view. In the navigation menu, the double arrows will take you forward or backward 1 year, and the single arrows will take you forward or backward 1 month. Click on the date to open up a calendar where you can skip to any month or year you choose. Clicking on this month will take you back to the current month. Use the refresh button to refresh the schedule. All resources will open a drop-down menu where you can choose if you want to see all routes, one specific route, or a specific group of routes. Selecting a single route from the All Resources drop-down will show you all the events for that day for the route, including event types, conflicts, start time, etc. If no technicians are assigned to an event, it will show no text in the tooltip hover and the row will be muted, or more transparent. Conflicts will show as a red outlined circle around the event icons. Selecting multiple routes from the All Resources drop-down will show you a total count of events for the day broken down by event type. The temp icon in the upper right corner indicates how filled your day is based on the current selected resources, and below that is the revenue total for all resources, if enabled. To view further details for the day, you can select the day and then use the sidebar to open and close the appointment cards to view the full details. Double-clicking or right-clicking on a single day in either view type will take you to that day within the week view. Clicking the Map button opens and closes a map where you can see your dispatch location as a red triangle and the stops your route will be taking for the selected day. Appointments are marked with flags and each route is color-coded. To change the day you are viewing on the map, simply click on a different day on the schedule, then select the Refresh button that appears. Clicking the Sidebar button opens and closes the sidebar on the right, where you can view your routes and their corresponding appointments for the selected day. From the drop-down menu in the upper right, you can select either Normal or Compact View. The sidebar header will also show the total number of events scheduled for the selected day, and selecting the date header will take you to that day in week view. Expanding the appointment card gives you full access to the appointment tools, except for the copy feature, as month view doesn't allow direct scheduling. Clicking the Route Packet button opens up the route packet criteria where you can customize and create your route packets. Clicking the Settings button opens up the schedule settings where you can adjust all the settings for your schedule. Now let's take a close look at the header icons. Regardless of view type, every day in month view has a header with a temp icon in the upper right corner, indicating how filled your day is based on the current selected resources. And below that is the revenue total for all resources, if enabled. The temp icon appears in different colors for a quick visual reference of how full each day is. Green indicates 50% and below full. Yellow indicates 50 to 75% full. Red indicates 75% and above full. And finally, please note that the month view can also be found in the Quick Add under the Appointment tab. In the upper left corner, you can toggle between the Month View button and the Week View button as you select your appointment day and time. For a larger view of the schedule, please click the Maximize button in the upper right, then click Restore to return to the original view. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please remember to visit our help site for more information, or contact our friendly US-based support team anytime Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!